Weather, I see Natasha has the radar fired up. What's it showing?
Well, today has been a really interesting day. We had a little bit of sunshine. We had some pretty good showers come through and some thunderstorms. Now, most of those thunderstorms, though, have been popping up just offshore. So here's a loop. Noticing dozens of lightning strikes. That was between about 7 and 8 o'clock this evening. And since then, we had some pretty gusty winds also across eastern Washington and Oregon, with gusts upwards of 62 miles per hour. Looking closer at what's happening right now, though, we're getting some of those heavier showers starting to pop up just on the west side of I-5, now going up from McMinnville, heading to the north. So northbound direction is the direction of these cells coming through at a pace of about 40 miles per hour. So some stronger winds associated with these cells coming through. And at times we could see precipitation rates of about 2 inches an hour. But again, that's going to be pretty isolated when we do see that. This is how much rain we've had so far today, picking up about 1/4 of an inch. Scappoose, Hillsborough, 3/10 of an inch. Going down to Florence, 7/10 of an inch, as well as Eugene. But not a whole lot for Portland just for the day today. We picked up about 1/10 of an inch for the day, but look at this calendar. Look at this calendar. April has been stellar. Remember last April, we were doing terribly. We didn't have enough rain at all. We had one of the driest springs on record. So how are we doing so far? Well, we have a total of 4.2 inches month to date. Remember last week, some of that actually fell as snow. So that puts us above normal by more than 2 inches. And now that's just specifically for Portland. What's happening right now? Temperature, 47 degrees. So we have our next cold front already showing up here. Wind is out of the southeast at about 15. Temperatures overnight will be in the mid-40s and then going to stay there until about 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. So here's your planner for tomorrow. Waking up to those showers, temperature of 47 by your lunch hour. Looking at those showers, 53, and then with a few more of those cloud breaks, really better than what we had today. Today we stayed mostly cloudy for most of the day, so we only had a couple hours of daylight to get things going, so we didn't have much thunderstorm activity. But tomorrow, a better opportunity with those earlier breaks in the clouds. Thunderstorms possible, most likely after about 2 o'clock in the afternoon with a high of 57. There's Mount Hood Meadows, temperature of 30 degrees, so our freezing level is close to about 5,000 feet. There's a look at Timberline Lodge. Here's your ski report. Yeah, all but one of these resorts is still open for the season. The ski bowl has closed for the season, but look at these bases. Timberline, 173 inches, 137 inches for you at Meadows. Bachelor, 99. Okay, here's your snow level forecast. We're going to see that freezing level pop back up for the weekend, but this weekend is also going to be dry. Freezing level at that point about 6,000 feet. But between now and the weekend, we'll have a chance to see a few more snowflakes falling. Could be a couple inches between now and Friday, and we're going to keep that snow level just above our mountain passes. Timing-wise, though, for the heaviest showers coming through tonight, that's going to be shortly after midnight and before about 2 o'clock in the morning. Heaviest showers popping up right over the Coast Range especially, and also skirting parts of the metro. So be aware of that going into tonight through tomorrow morning. Tomorrow morning, a few isolated showers. Otherwise, a pretty mellow commute, but then another chance for thunderstorms again tomorrow afternoon, especially starting right around 1, 2 o'clock. So be aware of that. That goes up and down the I-5 corridor until about 7 o'clock tomorrow night. And then we head into that nice weekend, partly cloudy, mid-60s. And then, Jeff, by next week, we're back to showers and 50s.
Yeah, do all your living, a week's worth of living on those weekend days.
That's
there
right.
you go. Thanks, Natasha.